For your warm-up, you were supposed to find the slope or rate of change for the following situation. The situation was this. Vanessa put $3 down to join a gym. After 6 months, she had paid a total of $63. 9 months in, her total bill was $93. Well, to find the slope, guys, we first must understand what the slope is. The slope is how fast her line is rising or how much she spent over the course of 1 month. Well, to find that, guys, we need to find our change in Y and our change in X. Or how she went from the number 63 to spending $93. So let's go ahead and do that. In order to find that, guys, we need to find the difference between the numbers, or we have to subtract the numbers. We're going to subtract the second number in the table from the first number, or the 93 and the 63, and to get 30. So over the course of these months, she spent a total of $30. And well, over the course of how many months? That's the true question. Well, the months was the change in X, or the values on the left column, the 9 and the 6. To find the change in X, all we have to do is once again find the difference or subtract the two. And we find out that she spent $30 over the course of 3 months. So how much does she really spend over the course of just 1 month? Well, to define that, we just have to divide the two numbers for a total of $10 per month. Now, for the next part of the warm-up, we have to find the initial value in the story, the graph, and the table. Well, guys, the initial value is the amount of Y at the very beginning of the story, or when X is 0, when no time has passed, no months have passed. So you should have circled anything that had the 0, 3, when there was 0 months and $3 spent. So that would have been here in the story, here in the graph, and here in the table. So I don't know if you guys realize this, but this situation was the exact same one we did yesterday, right? Our initial value was the 3, and the 10 that we kept on adding was our slope, or our rate of change. So let's put it all together in a function rule, or an equation. This rule that we see here, the y equals mx plus b, guys, that works for all linear functions. All we have to do is tweak it a little bit to make it fit our situation. Where you see the letter M, we're going to put our slope, or the $10 per month. When you guys see the letter B, we're going to put our initial value, or the $3 that she paid up front. So guys, this rule is what we will use to find any value in the table.